Hi, welcome to Foreigner in the Philippines. We're here and we're gonna get the bamboo bed that we ordered for our house number 23 for the leaning house of the family of the leaning house. So here we are. Oy, mo karga. Oy, mo karga. Palago karga dong be. Karga dong. Ayaw minin nyo dong. I'm gonna take picture first.
Paraplen tayo, paraplen. Arong mabalag na po.
Babag kayo doon. Babag doon. Ha? Babag. Anak.
Yeah, so again, this is our last day of our work on house number 23, and we're hoping if we got funds to kickstart the project of house. Yeah, so we buy also this for their chair outside instead of making the bamboo. So we just decided to buy two. One for their inside also, which is also been one person can sleep there, and then one also outside where they can sit down while eating. Yeah, so please like, comment, and subscribe. Mission accomplished. House number 23 finished.